Today I'm going to show you how to make cheese muffins. You will need 200 grams of self-raising flour, 1 egg, 150 millilitres of milk, 70 millilitres of vegetable oil, 150 grams of cheddar cheese, 1 teaspoon of salt, 1 teaspoon of mustard powder and 1 teaspoon of garlic granules. Firstly, you want to grate your cheddar cheese. Firstly, to your milk add your oil and your egg and mix until well combined. Then to your flour add your salt, your garlic granules, your mustard powder and your cheese and give it a mix until well combined. Then add your wet ingredients to your dry ingredients and mix until you have a nice batter formed. Then to a cupcake tray lined with cupcake cases, you simply want to spoon your mixture into each case. And then bake in a preheated oven at gas mark 6, 200 degrees centigrade or 180 fan assisted for 20 minutes or until a skewer comes out clean. And there you have it. That's how you make cheese muffins.